Upgrading your Volvo stereo system just got a lot easier with the Metra 70-9220 radio wiring harness. Designed specifically for Volvo models from 1993 to 2008, this harness powers all 4 speakers, front left and right, rear left and right, ensuring balanced sound throughout your vehicle. What sets this harness apart is its plug-and-play design. It fits perfectly with the factory wiring, eliminating the need to trace or cut wires. The color-coded wires match exactly with most double-DIN radios, including popular brands like JVC, making installation straightforward and stress-free. Inside the package, you'll find the wire harness and a clear manual to guide you step by step. Connecting the power and speaker wires is as simple as matching colors, yellow to yellow, red to red, and so on. This reduces guesswork and saves you time during installation. One satisfied customer shared how the Metra 70-9220 made installing a JVC double-DIN radio in their 1993 Volvo nearly effortless. They only needed crimp splice connectors to join the Metra harness with the radio's wiring, then installed the radio frame and bezel. The matching color codes eliminated any confusion. Beyond ease of use, this harness supports a clean, professional look once installed. It fits the dimensions of 6.5 by 4.5 by 2 inches, designed to integrate seamlessly without bulky adapters or modifications. That means your upgraded stereo looks factory installed. If you own a Volvo from the 1993 to 2008 range and want to upgrade to a modern double-DIN radio, this harness is worth a look. It's compatible with the original Volvo AM, FM CD, cassette double-DIN setups, making it a versatile choice for many models. Installing a new stereo doesn't have to be complicated or risky. The Metra 70-9220 wiring harness simplifies the process, giving you confidence that your connections are correct and secure. That's what you get: less hassle, reliable performance, and better sound. If you're ready to upgrade your Volvo's audio system with a double-DIN radio, the Metra 70-9220 harness is a smart investment. It streamlines installation, powers all 4 speakers, and fits your vehicle's original wiring perfectly. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a cleaner, more powerful sound experience.